This is Hanauma Bay Ridge Trail, and joining me today is my friend Jen and Luna. Let's check out the all-trail stats.
I'm so excited!
This is a 4.2 mile heavily trafficked loop trail. Difficulty, moderate. Legality, private property, hike at your own risk.
You know, it's not allowed. Actually, it's probably illegal.
This trail starts at the Hanauma Bay bus stop. For those driving, the most common parking option is Cocoa Head Park. You can also park at Hanauma Bay Parking if it's open. The third option is parking on Naulili Street. The first section of the hike is a beautiful paved path that'll take you up the ridgeline with amazing views of Hanauma Bay to your left, Cocoa Head at your back, and Diamond Head off in the distance to your right.
It's so beautiful.
When you reach the top, you're at the loop and can decide between going left or going right. Heading right will take you past Hawaii's largest sundial.
Is that true? Meh.
And heading left will take you along the southern side of the bay. There isn't any shade and there isn't much of a path, so be prepared and enjoy.
What's next?
You'll reach the easternmost point. If you're looking for the rock bridge, this is where you'll continue on straight towards the ocean, heading down some of the most unique terrain on the island. Once at the bottom, walk south and you'll see the bridge. Just be careful. People have died here. From here, you can continue around the loop or head back along the bay. If you've got a hike you'd like to see a video for, leave a comment and let me know. Subscribe on here or Instagram and be notified of the next video.
Till next time. Till next time.
Hello, I'm Bryce. Would you like a little extra magic on the trail? Magic, magic! I've hidden a unicorn box on the trail inside a unicorn log for you to find and sign. Doing so will give you the unicorn blessing, but you'll also get to brag to your friends that you found it. I totally found it. What? Double magic!